started with HonestLedger. Create an account to receive your personal API key. Each email address can only generate one key, so store it somewhere safe when it appears. Once confirmed, log in and you're taken straight to the dashboard. From here, upload your payment and invoice files, standard CSV exports from any accounting or ERP system. No formatting required, no manual cleanup. Hit Run Reconcile, and the system takes over automatically. You can watch it work in real time. Here in Google Cloud Run logs, and simultaneously in Phoenix, our observability layer, which traces every AI decision as it happens. The system runs in 3 layers. Layer 1 matches payments to invoices using the current rule set, version 0. If the accuracy isn't good enough, it doesn't stop there. Layer 2 is the AI judge. This is the core of what makes HonestLedger different. The judge analyzes every mismatch, identifies the root cause, and proposes a smarter rule set, version 2. But it doesn't just optimize blindly. A holdout verification layer exists specifically to catch reward hacking, cases where the AI improves its own score without actually improving accuracy. The judge is only allowed to apply changes that genuinely work on data it has never seen before. Once the system reaches its optimal state, the results are ready to export. 3 structured files covering matched transactions, unmatched items flagged for human review, and a full audit trail for any payment that needs investigation. What used to take a finance team 2 to 3 days now takes 5 to 10 minutes. And unlike a manual process, every decision is logged, traceable, and explainable. HonestLedger doesn't just match data. It holds itself accountable.